Sajjad Lone, when we started, frankly speaking, you were like an angry young man. And then you actually confessed that you were venting. And I think that process of venting is very important if we have to actually put behind the differences or the perceptional issues that exist on आपने मुझे अच्छे से नहीं किया. दो दोस्तों के बीच में भी होता है कि तुमने उस वक्त मुझे ये कहा था, मुझे बुरा लगा, मैंने उस वक्त कुछ नहीं कहा, पर वो अंदर रिश्ता रहता है and you can never be normal again. So it's important to vent. Sometimes it's important to come out and have an open dialogue, put everything on the table and then start the rebuilding process. So today having you on the show, I hope has been a step in that direction. I just hope, just like the Prime Minister said, दिल और दिल्ली की दूरी जो है अब खत्म करनी पड़ेगी. आप भी अब आप और हम में फासला मत रखिए, दीवारें मत खड़े करिए, क्योंकि दीवारों से आप उधर रह जाएंगे, हम इधर रह जाएंगे और दीवारों से कभी किसी का भला हुआ नहीं है. कभी किसी की ना खुशियों में इजाफा हुआ है, ना किसी की तरक्की में कभी इजाफा हुआ है दीवारें खड़ी करके. At least I'm very hopeful if people like you come forward, speak their angst, their anguish, express it, make other people understand, because मेरे हिसाब से in humanity dialogue के अलावा कोई चारा भी नहीं है. Do you really feel the same way, and are you really prepared to give Naya Kashmir a real chance?
Who would disagree on this? First of all, let me tell you, it's been pleasure. It's good. I have, when I say venting, I hadn't been on Times now for a long time and had watched it. Even when we were in internment, we used to watch it. So वो सारा जितना भी था वो first I offloaded in the first 10 minutes. So that's a good thing. But yes, I do agree with you that we have to look forward. There is no way we can look backward. And I agree that, we have to get in together in it. And to be very honest, जहाँ मैं अपनी गलती मानने के लिए तैयार हूँ, जहाँ हम सब अपनी गलतियाँ मानने के लिए तैयार हैं, Navika, people like you have you come in the evening and you reach out to millions of people. You also have a duty in believing that yes, we could also have got it wrong. We also need to tread a path which is reconciliatory. And hopefully, yes, and as you said, dialogue. There is no other way apart from dialogue. No way we should talk. जैसे अभी the Honorable Prime Minister convened this meeting. This is the best thing that has happened. Forget about the results. There are many people who want to write it off, who want to write the process off. But no, this is a start, and I'm sure it will evolve into something very good for the people of the state.
Well, thank you Sajjad Lone for joining me. हम इतने भी बुरे नहीं हैं जितना आपने हमें समझा है. हाँ, जैसे प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा, वैसे कुछ दूरियां जरूर ख्यालों में हमने बना ली हैं. मैं हमेशा डायलॉग के लिए हमेशा हमारे दरवाजे खुले हैं. ये प्लेटफॉर्म आपके लिए है. हमें मिलकर, मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप किसी अलग दुनिया में हैं और हम किसी अलग दुनिया में हैं. हमें मिलकर अपने रास्ते बनाने हैं, क्योंकि ये पूरा मुल्क हमारा है. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर भी उतना ही हमारा है जितना कन्याकुमारी हमारा है. और आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड आई जस्ट होप that we will not be governed by the perceptions that we have of people, but we will actually participate in the dialogue process, क्योंकि कई बार जो लगता है वो होता नहीं, जो होता है वो लगता नहीं. और क्या है, हमें उसी सुबह की इंतजार करनी है, क्योंकि वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी.
Inshallah, yes, let's hope so. Let's hope for the best.
Thank you, Sajjad Lone, for joining me on Frankly Speaking.